G'day cunts. Time for lesson 2. Sharpening an axe. So I'm at home today because it's fucking Sunday. I'm not at work. Now I just literally got here and I thought this axe is as blunt as fuck. So it's time for me to sharpen this axe. Now, I've already oiled this, and I got the last bit of information wrong. This isn't 200, 400. I wouldn't have a fucking clue what it is, because it wasn't written on the packaging. Thanks a lot, Bunnings. So we'll work it out anyway. I'll ask a cunt today when I go there. Now, this is going to take quite some time, so I might have to pause the video and come back. I've got my lumberjack shirt on. Now, I'll try not to make this video as long, because after watching the other one, I thought, fuck, that's long. This is going to take fucking forever. Let's see how we go. Lucky I'm ambidextrous.